Hello everybody, got a 2007 Avalanche, and on this car I'm changing the cabinet filter, engine filter, and the spark plugs and wires. Got the old plug out, and this is a new AC Delco. That's what I'm replacing it with, iridiums. And it's a pretty straightforward job here. All you need to do is disconnect the ignition coil. Yeah, inside looks burnt, so sometimes you will get one of the wires that's hard to take out, and some of them are easier. So take that out, take the plug out, then you can guide the plug in with a hand slowly, like there you go. When it comes to spark plugs, you don't want to force spark plugs. Hand guide them slowly. Use your ratchet or use your socket to hand guide as far as you can, and then tighten it down with the socket. Tighten it down. Yeah, I'm gonna torque it down and I'll be back. So on this car, you don't have to worry about ruining the firing order, because you're going to be replacing each ignition coil wire right above the same plug. So as long as you follow that, you should be fine. There you go, like so. And you can remove one coil plug and coil wire and the plug, wire and plug, and one at a time. And even if you do take them all at once, you would notice that each coil is right above its plug, and you cannot mess that up. Removing the air filter is very simple. Take out this clamp, loosen it up. The box is connected with just two push-on fittings. Doesn't have anything holding it down when it comes to screws, so you can just take them out. There you go. The box is out. After it's out, you're gonna need to open 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. Take the filter out, replace the filter, and put the box back in same way. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.